Okay, dinner is ready. Let's eat.
Ma, I got an idea. We can use this for science.
Okay, that's interesting. Okay, we can do it tomorrow. Okay, what are we going to do today?
We are going to do science.
Science? What is this? Oh, the chicken wings we ate. What is this?
Vinegar.
Vinegar? Okay, be careful.
Can I drink?
No. Why? It looks like water, right? Okay. How long should we keep this? 1 day? 2 days? 3 days?
1 day.
1 day. Okay, check this out. How long did we soak it?
2 days.
Okay, let me take this out. And then we wash it with water. What are you doing?
I'm stretching the bone.
You're stretching your bone.
I stretch this one. Let's stretch it. This is our way.
So,
I cannot stretch this.
similar to the egg experiment, I guess this is what will look like when acid dissolves calcium. When the bone is lack of calcium, it will become soft and bouncy. Okay, that's it for today. If you are interested in learning how I did my crispy buttermilk chicken wings, please stay tuned. Okay, what we are going to make today? Do you know?
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk? Okay.
Okay.
So you just put a glass of milk, about this much. Yeah, enough. Wow!
It's mine.
You want to drink it?
Yes. Can
Okay.
I?
Sure. Give you a small cup. Save some for me. Oh. Wow. It's everywhere. Okay.
Okay, so you.
Okay. Oh, empty box. Okay. Yeah. You can drink it now. Okay, wait, it's not finished yet. We need to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, any kind of acid. Could be vinegar. Yep. We close this. Just leave it for 10 minutes. We'll use it for deep fry later.
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun. Could you put some seasoning into the flour?
Okay.
Salt. Some cumin. I use some lemongrass. Could you mix it? Wow. I'm going to dip the chicken wing here. Okay. Maybe let mommy do the job, right?
Yes.
Okay. Dip here. And put it back here. Put it back here. Okay, done. And let me do it one more time. Do you want to try?
No.
Why not?
I'm super scared.
Yeah, you're super scared. What are you doing now? Playing toys? Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe, please click on this button. To view more, please click here. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.